Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger notification sound not working. If Messenger notifications arrive but you don't hear any sound, the issue is usually caused by notification settings, phone sound settings, or app permissions. So try these fixes. So open Messenger app and tap on menu at the bottom right. Then from here, tap settings. Next, scroll down to notifications and sounds. Select it. Now make sure notifications are on. So you have here invites suggested for you, messages in activity, text tone, show previews, message reminders and watch reminders, Facebook friend requests, and etc. So make sure all of this is turned on. Now at the top you'll see do not disturb, so make sure that is disabled or turned off. So close Messenger and go to settings. Then scroll down to sounds and haptics. Open it. So here, make sure silent mode is turned off or disabled. You can also adjust the volume just like so. Then go back and scroll up and go to Bluetooth. So ensure Bluetooth devices are not connected and receiving the sound instead. Next is to check app notification permissions. So go to settings, then scroll down to notifications, then scroll down and look for Messenger. Open it. So open Messenger and from here, make sure allow notifications is turned on. And that should solve the problem.